Hey there, today we're diving into a game-changing concept in search engines and content creation, latent semantic indexing, or LSI. So what is LSI? It's a mathematical technique that helps computers understand the relationships between words and their meanings, rather than just matching exact keywords. For example, the word bank can mean a financial institution or the side of a river. LSI analyzes the context to clarify meaning. Developed in the late 1980s, LSI uses singular value decomposition to simplify data and uncover hidden relationships between words. Here's how it works. First, a term document matrix is created to show which words appear in which documents. Then, SVD breaks it down into smaller dimensions, revealing patterns and connections. Finally, search engines can identify related terms, so if you search for best places to eat, it understands related words like restaurants and dining. In today's digital world, LSI is crucial for semantic search, helping search engines focus on user intent rather than just keywords. For content creators, using LSI keywords makes content richer and more engaging, avoiding keyword stuffing while improving rankings. Many businesses have seen major results with LSI, like e-commerce sites boosting organic traffic by 40% with improved descriptions. As technology evolves, LSI is becoming even more important with AI and voice search, focusing on natural language and intent. In summary, LSI helps us move from keyword focus to context and meaning. To stand out in search results, understanding LSI is essential. For more insights, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.